everyone, and welcome back, dear friends. Today's episode will be on weights and core. 10 minutes, all you need is to get your body going and the feeling good inside. Feel the heart up. Are you ready? So let's begin. Let's, let's do a couple breath in and a couple breath out to fill our heart and feel our energy moving. All right. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Pause and exhale out. Again, inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Just place your hand on your heart. Say, I'm connected, I am safe, I am well. All right, so let's begin. All right, so let's go ahead and warm up. Let's do head and coming into tabletop first. Let's do a cat and cow. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, rounding and arching your back. Inhale, exhale. Continue to open the throat, open your shoulders. I'm feeling good about life. And back to center. All right, let's go ahead and do a spinal balance. Take the right arm, left leg, extend out, hold, and down. Inhale, exhale, hold, and down. Again, to the right, the left, hold, and down, hold, and down. One more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Now move the tailbone to the right and left. And we'll start with the weights again. And back to center. Good. All right, sit down on your sit bone. And you can use water bottle if you don't have weights, but I have 5 pounds here. All right, I'm going to plant my feet, ground myself, shoulders back, arms. So inhale, exhale to the right, back to center. Inhale, exhale to the side. And continue. Feeling good, feeling strong. You got this. 30 seconds to each side. You with me? Good. Keep going. All right, one more. Good. Now, feet are planted. We're going to lift it up. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. We're going to do 8 more. This is 5. I want to do 5 more. Go right ahead. Exhale up. Inhale down. One more. And down. Good. Now, we're going to go 45 degrees back and extend and work your biceps as you come up. How's it going? This is 5. If you need to stop, go right ahead. And 10. Good. How are you feeling? Good? All right, now we're going to lay down on our back. All right, we're going to tuck the pelvis in, exhale up, and then come down. Tuck the pelvis, inhale, exhale. 4. Keep going, guys. 3 more left. One more. Good. Now we're going to pulse as your weights are up. So we're going to pulse. Two more. And down. Beautiful. All right, now we're going to bring your heels closer to your buttocks. And we're going to go halfway and down and then all the way. Inhale, exhale, half, down. Inhale, exhale, all the way. Continue this. So inhale, tuck, lift, halfway, come down. Inhale, exhale, all the way. We'll do one more. Inhale, exhale, half, down. Inhale, exhale, and back. All right, how are you feeling? Good? Right now, from here, we're gonna just go ahead and windshield wipe to the right and left, just to smooth out the spine. Beautiful. Okay, now from here, we're gonna rock up. You can put the weights down and rock up. Sitting in a staff position. Inhale, exhale, lean forward, and then rise back up. Inhale, exhale, and then rise back up. All right, 7 more to go. Inhale, exhale, continue. One more. And down. Good. How are you feeling? Better? All right, now feet on the ground. And then from here, we're going to hold the position. You can have two if you like to hold it. And breathe. Keep the chin level. Keep the spine up. And smile. Takes a little work. The core, squeezing the belly. Keep the chin level. You're holding the weights, filling the arms. Another 5 seconds to go. Good. All right, now cross the leg at the same time. Open or all the way out. So you can go halfway or full. It's 5. 3 more, guys. You got this. 2 more. And 1 more. And drop it down. And sigh it out. Go, ha. Drop the chin. All right, now close your eyes. Go in and thank yourself for showing up and taking this moment. to move with flow and breath. Just say to yourself, I am safe, I am protected, I am well, I am safe, I am protected, I am well. All right, guys, see you next time on next video. Love and light to you. Give yourself at least 10 minutes a day to keep moving, keep believing in your dreams. All right, until next time.